Adeshima ma premo ato edon mu nsemodo a yabobo adefa yakase bodem ye Jobre ede sansem ni nyina enchemu asomo ewo akankasemo ha United Television is streaming live on Facebook meche enimu krata no so UTV Ghana afei ewo DSTV channel 360 bejebre no ahwe ewie eso ede afri ho ensamodo a ede eba na yeje ahoden eso ede afri special eyes mineral water ensu papa crotching ya jebre na numbe wan kai ne hunu se enema ahodo bi ya ene konipedua ni mu ayeye no ne nchen ena afri ede eba Yesi kasem ni emu ntutu eye best point savings and loans and afi this way chocolate drink eye cocoa pika wodoma eboa ma onipedua no ewie peye afei ensem no eni enimu bi enie ye be sha say the free National Identification Authority enkomo a omo ni EDC enhwese ye mofra no ye be register womo enso amano ayeyie afei ye be ginemu ewo enei anti-illegal mining dwumadie no eso no nipa bia omunya Ghana de hye makom yensa bi wakire womo se wonam kwanbo ne so etu fom gudie ewo tano ensuo no emu ye bejebre ne de sansem ne chiemu asomo ewo akankasemu afei ewo ye kase bopono eso no ye behwe the assembly members mpanifo eka efa transformers ahodo ato ajeje mu ewo efuata eno ewo takwa ensuayem eso ewo atoye mantem no ensem afofo pibinum ekawe hu eno adama ye Jobre ede munchemu asomo ewo akankasemu bedidi nana ama ano to form it as da Emma Palace African style na damentin wode ntoma ehu twa na humka wom sei ayi atade kama ede ahyeme ene awie ntin tade hyebu de we Palace African style if you are e pa cho ne ukwa kohye agya wadwo na damenti wo behwe we no ahwefofo bi a mehye bra no ede afiri wa fidi kese eso afei ensem no enchemu enie Yesha said the free National Identification Authority in Penny4 asweye nwame nya entie se ene se oduri oti mantam no emua Penny4 aye hyehyeye enkoda a won fie no efri emfinhia ensia ede kopem edunan we register womo ewo National Identification Authority dwumadie no emu enkoda esombe 32000 ena we register na oduri oti mantam no emua Penny4 say what the registration enhyehyeye efa foforo bi ahya ase se na ebe ya wode bekanya nipa na wo Esum faso ewo se ye betumi a register ye mano Owura Wisdom Kwaku Deku ono na ye executive secretary ewo National Identification Authority.
As part of the SDG goals in 2030, it says that legal identity for all, including birth registration. It is based on that the government has tasked us to start the registration of the children from 6 years and above. So if you see me here today, we started on the 5th of May, and it is important as the Executive Secretary of the Authority, I come around to see how the registration process is going. We are not going to end there. It's a nationwide that we are starting, and we decided to start from voter and OT. So from here, I'll move to the OT region to also check to see how the registration is going on. There's an LI 211 that makes it mandatory for your Ghana card to be used in terms of any transactions where identification is required. And also, we are all aware, your Ghana card PIN is now your health insurance number, it is your SNIT number, it's your TIN number. So meaning that a child who is being registered here automatically has a SNIT number, it has a TIN number, and it has a national health insurance number. It means that that child does not need to go and register for health insurance again.
Afe yejiremu ewa pomodin enkomomo na National Health Insurance Authority Penny4 asha se etu anamobi se udru ahafo mantam no emua wase ye friend one time attendance code OTAC Sergio Midday wajina so edi peja free primary health care na aban no ahwe edi aba no wase obema ahodo a ene nipa kugina ewe apomodin eme ahodo no ogina insurance card ne so a wonsa age apomodin mu ehwe enso amano ayeye yedu go so obrekwa UTV central for ehunu sansemi na yedi achi ewo hono Head of Information Technology ewo National Health Insurance Authority dwumadie mu Owura Jo ano dankwa echeche mu sei eno odi so
President John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, Alanchi free primary health care or the Abesha health insurance ase. Say health insurance yen yenhwe na obi obeko bia no ehon ka no yentua. Yenye nim say e ka na beko soro. If you say nipa bebre afi no mba beko hospital ankasa. Yenso ya adwen say e kwan bia yenso be fa so a ye be make sure say wo kwa na say hospital no dey obel ba yenyi ho achinie na yebetimi atua se be enso amanfo nso enya de ne basabasa enunti na health insurance yenso ya hyehyɛ akwanya bi a ye friend no one time attendance code ATM nso ye friend no otak be free primary health care no and as insured care na wa generate code o generate code na ebema health insurance ye hu se eyampa
Afeima yento akase no so na yenko ensemfoforo emu oman Ghana okun ba ko esensen ye komu a ene mpanifo ahwa yetu emu anamon no enso eye egalamse ehu adwumadie na enroda ya woda kotonima abosomede etoso edu enan National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat NIMOS mpanifo ne fa eginemu ewo atoye mantemu ehwase enante ensuo ne yakwaye no a ewo ho no so de no na atwade akwa wie se ba bia ehoye amenfi atoye mensinu emwo no tax force no ekopie mu ewo ho wonya nipa binum a omunye Ghana de hye lenso odi sa nyambransem a wona mensuo no so etu fam gudi a yefe ne se galamsey no a na Blue Water Garden panifo edwumadi a otu ye no aka ho bi amasesei de ensunsuanso mapa ya akwakoche sankrofo ya sebi omayese huriye lenso moja mpa wontiri mu da no wonsa aka wo ma bambofo ehwe ene wo mu edi tax force no dwumadi no emwo no ohunu se nipa bonfa wo munya Ghana de hye we video a yeyi ede kyerew ye fidi kese esu asebio wo mu na ye nkuru a wo mani hwehwe baabie na eja wo mu di wo man Ghana wu ede fa eye galamsey no a wo mu tu obrekwa emra ema wo ho kwan wota no nsuo no na o maje ho aboso wo ma ye ka wo ho ya wo mu di mfidie ahodo a ensem fata ejina kwaye no na afa ye nsuwa no so a wo mu di eye sa nyambrasemi National Anti-Illegal Mining empanifo say nipa wo kyere wo mu a yeyi on video amu ahwe empanifo nkomo kakra wo madi no eche se wo ye China for adehye wo mu ye mako emiensa sesei de empanifo hwe ama emra ya esena efata no watimi de wo mu afa emra kwan no eso sa nipa miensa wo ye Ghana adehye ba ko mfie eye mfinhia aduasa enson afemfinhia aduonum ena aduasa emienu ya wo mu nyina no enya kwan a wo mu tu eye sa nyambransemi sesei wo de mama eye Ghana Immigration Service Enforcement Unit ya ewo enkran ha se ye mra no a esefata edefa nipa bi omunya Ghana de hye nanso onyankrata asem ewura wo manimu a woda esu ene ebanbo ne edi no empanifo mfa wo emfa emra kwan so onya pump action gun ba ko wo nchen afei ene etu a yeto a edi awu eno so emu aboba emakoma dumienu ene onya de free wo nchen ehye bi ano wo tenam de won yemagum Toyota Hilux pickup no ebi registration number GS-52 88-22 Sane menyina NIMOS empanifo se wechemo enso ede amabambo force wonfa entu anamon wonya chamfan machines de makomako aduonu enso so ewo ho a na omude sisi ensuo ne ntwea so ahodo edidi eyesa enyambrasemi asema ye kan NIMOS empanifo se enye wei eni de edi kan wachi nipa pi nanso wei eni de mprempren asi ewo amenfi atoye mensinu emu ewo atoye mantemu a wodi emu nsem ne so etutwa ewo sa kwan no eso ma yento yakase bono so emfa ema no yegiremu ahwe wo mu abra no oditwa edifri wo mai Ghana mu ewuremu esoko enkrofo amanso Kani Chief Executive Officer Ghana Shippers Authority oru akwesi banfo sapon enso ede atudwa se Republican AI twumedie no a emunsensem abaye deja ewo mai Ghana hasen ebredru se wono so de na no ebetum bi no wa champion se ono adwadie mu enhyehye no watena soye no ho wotenema bi ase no ohune se ha twen ewo Ghana Revenue Authority dwumadie mu esanse ye won hyehye mapa bi wo ho dedaw ya adwuma na Republican AI eye no sa ehyehyeye bi wo ho aye bi dedaw nti we ne san beka ho no ogiri se eye how ede to yadwadifo no ekomu a empempen ewo sempanifo hwe na wotu eye emu anamon era no pai ewo ade kyensuma dwumadie eso no na yewura kwesi banfo sapon etenemu ede sansemwe etudwa
Republican AI no de minya yanka GIO ometwa sign akọ back to the drawing board assign akọdreje ho sa ade aba metechire mu
okay
port ho no nsem bibre wo problems bibre wo
bit say
to say what dey woniama ba e che answer wa clear and Ghana your evaluation problem evaluation no nkro bebre no simple omo evaluation ni assessment no simple nti odi nema no ba omo hwe ne bo no ma hwe de evaluation omo assess ebeba from what with low taxes na odi nema na twem na ye ha no na ye system no valuation no etimi ko high etimi ko low say auto free manufacturer ho na auto free retailer ho no prices no the same nti no ye problem nti nka o de obey bibi say ya yakofa icons aba say o kan esenka first ye hwe data what system no say ye mfa na say the last 3 years ne mai de ba nyina valuations ben ye use na ye use ye de no benchmarking ni ye frɛ importers ni exporters ni na atnas especially importers yes you okay say na yasesia mutua because all the name no ba GRA officers na here assessment no freight forwarders na omo LED omo importers no omo so GRA na momo omo lines regulate omo nti one say GRA be ka say ono ani officers on yomu ni say omo assessment na ukotua utua ko bank straight data ni nyina wo ho data amanfo tua for omo assessment duties ni nyina no e wo ho
Yedu Talensia ye mining company bi ewo ho aye fe ne se ye Cardinal Namdini mining company na ene omunya kwan enye adwuma san se Talensi emabu no asori e de atia wo mo se ekwan a efa so kowura sa ye Cardinal Namdini mining company no wo mo ti asem ampanifo enye adwuma emabu na asem a woni ye nsentwofo edi nkomo ni nyina eyetia wa wo mo se o panifo sha se otu from gudie ebe bie wo ma so ye ewo hoyi amade edi kan bonefo sam ewo ntwea no so adoso kradodo afa de etoso mienu kroma no ene ekro no empuntu nso no company ebaye omuhu sakraye bia chese de mpanifo nya ya anonom de difference ase no emu no eno kwa na wo modwene ho afa nso wo so wo fa kroma ni bia twumam ehwe toto niema ebinum ayayi wo mafiri ho empatasika e wo se de mayanya ni nyina eno ho abufuhyew ena mabu na watalent di asori a omo se ne sa mining company no omo ma wo mo enkoye adwuma.
No woman can enter there to pick shea nut, and this is alarming. How can you come face the entire forest and you not employ you to work again to take care of the women who are working, who are taking the shea nut from the forest, those who are farming there, you only employ them. Relocation compensation was not done properly. So this is what the youth are asking. The youth are not asking for too much. Let's sit, talk. This is peaceful. We are happy that Cardinal Namdini money is in our region. Perhaps precisely Talsi. This is an opportunity for us to explore. But if it has not turned to be a curse to the land, we will not agree to that.
We are suffering. The mining company, they approach and say that they are coming to work. We allow them to settle, but we don't have any work to do. We are suffering. We don't have water. The road is not good. Nothing. We are just roaming about. We don't have nothing to do. So that's why we are here to cause the demonstration so that they will take us, so that we will work. That's our problem. We don't have water. We don't have road. Zanguro, we don't have light. Anything. We are just suffering anywhere. See our women here. We are here to demonstrate. The soldiers, the police, they come and beat everybody here. They bring the cars to push out. So we are begging the leaders of the community and the leaders of the country everywhere. We are begging you all that you should support us so that we will get work and work.
Gara Civil Aviation Jumedi emu no wanya mfinsha porepore aduanan ne science no wagina mu ene oman Ghana ntwasa hodo edi nkomo apeja oman Ghana ya mamre ene amane ede fa yen kasa yen tade hye ene efe yedidie mu se emabu no titiriu ema won fere ema won ka ya mamre ne amane no enhye yen peja ye ho esanse no kra betumi aboa amampuntu enso awie peye osa adwumadi no emu no eye ohempon wosom commander traditional area okatachi kome ya wotoso nwotwe edi atudwase no kwasem ona Ghana Civil Aviation penifo eya atwen Ghana adehye bebe ebegina bia no yenyina ya mamre ya mane na yenton ye huye eme yenka yenta adehye no enkohye bebi esansese ye pempuntuo edi agina yi a enema bi sei ene beyi ye na ton ye yi.
Ghana Civil Aviation Authority Yarda hena menzi ne hena membre ne hena kasa ho a ejanamzi bobazi wo Ghana ha ezi nande shiehuna wazibeyi wabobwa na so wabasesa hena menzi so bi rekan fanta oye no nutu obi be kan ka se aibe obi ka twi obi ka nan ka sa ni native language oye no nutu ibra din tino mo benda onna me da yele da hina manzi hina membrezi masra hina be gunu de womma yamma ne yuanda ho ende ehwe social media abafoka ka be bitu ka sam yaya yo tia aban tumikasa ne panyina oda dwumedan na na chede na no wayewo social media wadu tu hode yebotum na yabo yenzemo bi dowu na yosua aze ende gbe akwa YouTube WhatsApp enye za okeka kanwa oya asefim muru ya no kwakwa no wome yenso hina menzi
mayen to hena mambrepa ento nchin ehu hia oma yedanso as a nation oye fe ibi ye fanciful ibi ye dagumba ibi ye nzimafo ibi ye nkramfo ibi ye angunafo ibi ye as isfanciful oye fe ye kan nyina boma omma hene nigide ampa ye fi miame bibri nanso ye nyipa dase ne kor ye wo oman kor ene ye wo ni bese one industry intino ohia de hinna eden ye beka na adwuna bom ni aye za ose no fata.
We have, despite this diversity, achieved 40 years of success. It's not a coincidence because diversity truly matters. Diversity isn't just putting things on paper. If you go to the GCA notice boards, you see core values, diversity, inclusion. It's giving practical effect to it. It's about tolerating different views, accepting different views, and respecting different views. It's about allowing people to think outside the box. You don't tell the person that, who are you? You just came here 20 years ago. You know, we've been doing this since 1999. This is how we do it. That's not diversity. So we need to open up as management to allow people to speak up without being afraid that their views will be rejected.
Yawo ekobia ye frɛ wo se Vowak Ghana wo mo atu anamo ama ema wo ma wa wo ma ba tasefo asase eso no koda ne bi wo ha wo nipadua na kwa no demdie aba ho Vowak se sa ema no a wo ma etebia etesa no ebinim agina brane akokuduro kwan so etete nkoda no se da bia won dachi enso be ya fenti wa hyesa matan no enso enumunyam afei wo matan na nkasa bia kra na wo mpo nipadua no edidem na enso so wo ma ba mumuye wo de nsiye eye atwuma ema wo tete na busua ene wo ma se na bia won so betumi enya baabi agina Vowak campaign for se de wo mu ye wo de ehye ema akunan na wo de hye won kunan so ano abo wo ma no ho ba se de wo mu ye bia no wo mu nipa bi eta wachi nti won koso enye ne saa Mother's Day dwumadie ni mu ene wo de saa anamonto wie nyina enso ehye so no to nsa e de frɛ so afa wo no ene hye ema nkoda ene ye dada setena yedie ensem eso ne mum enye ono ankasa ena ekoye eni nti obo achi ema presidential staff abako Shamima Muslim ene koja na nemu ekasaye obo Vowak abaso se de wo ma yei eye anika eye efe ekyese enwumaku afoforo bi so hwesusua eno so ebetumi ayeye program coordinator osom eye Vowak Ghana patience eye ativoka etua enso ede to dwa se de wo mu yei enye omo ho na ete wo no ma hunu se ema hia basobode ani nkranse bi ya na etise.
The Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection, and in collaboration with relevant ministries, departments, agencies, government is implementing deliberate interventions to improve the lives and livelihoods of vulnerable persons, especially women and girls with disabilities. These interventions reflect our commitment to ensuring that persons with disabilities and their families are fully integrated into Ghana's national development agenda. Government is rigorously implementing the Persons with Disability Act, as well as strengthening disability inclusive policies, programs and institutional frameworks across all sectors. In the education sector, government remains committed to expanding access to inclusive and equitable education through the implementation of the Free Tertiary Education for Persons with Disability policy. This policy provides financial support for tuition and academic-related fees for students with disabilities in public tertiary institutions to pursue higher education whilst achieving their full potential.
Women and children with disabilities in Ghana. We are celebrating Mother's Day. I am mostly now and I share a ma or modi demo so a mothers. We shall Mokana or Munkanaya or more problem and almost situation no cry more vulnerable because having to say ready them be a bananti a antenatal sending hospitals netia would damn pass so near the challenges meaning so we share background pono was hands over disability very stressful but I need a Mother's Day na you fee so not to say you fee sa your friend say man and yeah was the celebrity mothers with disabilities, and by that, we are recognizing them by giving them some awards for 30 mothers with disabilities. So almost this day, the person that said, "Yeah, she will call woman." And the other thing is say, "Yeah, because so go Ghana, no, the man she did them. Yeah, it's here means we did them. It's a whole chair, no one kalani intimacy. I see a senior we did them out to me the every shaba. I believe so. We a platform. I who your problem you go through your antenatal as any panicking so you will be crying now online into midnight you better do so about that and panel so if you walk on the call or antenatal crying was a so papa Jones or bra now you should Jones him say with a Diana papa Jones will be crying and means me for wheelchair no come over consul crying maybe has sent a yes on a crying a better do not worry the way you see.
Nana ampem da akonya wotoso enum ene ye kwanya kohene wone na tan konya enafe adehia wo mo ne wo agona epoye mensinu emu no esi Dr. Richard Esiedu woduru emfimfiri mantem a wo ye NDC amanyoko no dwentafo sese wono ene ye nkoso hen ewo kwanya ko sese ni nkonya din eye Nana Esiedu keteke ya wono ene di kan no wa chiatum se ene monya champanifo ahye ne obegina so amampunto akoso mpotem ho
Paramount chiefs na ene one subject na wa ha we kire say utu kwan a eya bobra dache wode be kayo mankobra bra bone wa asinfosu enti asinfosu man no eta mechi enti na medu sam pempensu ya asinfosu krom na mekotena ye ansa na metu mikogina regional chairman me wini enti me dia asinfosu ka bebre na Nana Okumeni onkan kumantu ni yim konyako ene asinfosi de me amedia ne me ya konyako bia no me bisu ama asinfosu na sa krom yenu yankofa soronko abada wonte less than 1 week they are got to abad and so we didn't answer they got to abad and Professor Siedu and you them so about the year regional chairman. Over here, regional chairman. After that, a dear Mata society said, or the Asia do not mention the Asia do. The dear and tell me the air and Yapa Simon and the country will be said, Party Bra, a party bra, and 5 will be over here, regional chairman. What did the one or no answer was a conform party? I don't care about it. The country has matter. I put that here and find out for them. We a leader. Now, depending on piano, a new year, as I saw it. I don't see, you're suspended. It's now all that suspended. Now,
Regional chairman, one. We are from Radoswa. Also, the never see from now in Radoni.
Yɛkɔ apa dencha ne ahwɛ ne ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ nano wɔde ɛyɛ empotem ahonidie nsese adwumadi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ mpotem hɔ aka ho bi ama onumanyafo John Mensa wudru apa dencha empotem a yɛwɔ kro bi ɛfrɛ wɔ sɛ dencha nkotim so electoral area ɛno ɛna waka ɛde akyɛ na nanam ahemfo afi kro ne mu emma wɔn mu a ɛsom sɛ mosamifo akristofoɔ ɛne wɔn mu nso a wɔgidie fofo sɛ ɔsrɛ wɔn nyinaa nkɔ benkrom na onni kro ni sani ebia yade bi ntinsi kronim na nkɔfa ɔhaw so emre adehye ɔno abose de na wo mu yeye ɔmo ne nkaso a ɔmo ntwɛn sɛ assembly no ɛbɛyɛ nemu ɔmo fro ɔmo pem na bra no onsiesie kro no
ahunidie de sani enim no ye dede bia ahunidie efiri bakrom and ye guso ayɛ we ne first time ayɛ we kan be the general one no yɛ be 5 kra sani no mabɛyɛ no everyday bia be from bia no ɔdɔ ɔmo nya na ene no ɔmo nya double no ɔmo nta yachi ene aboso bokwa na me ya ma na kase no ebi nsi da mana ya dia we first in its kind o ma papa say cleanliness is not godliness and the no kwa say say free sorry free na o kan religious no me no mo apampa o say you go to so and say bibi na so te in general announcement and me gidi say asofo bibi kwa ka cha o ma so lemma ama me te but say ano ya hunu say na ayeboa no next one na e be ye kwa biem no ye be ye na sa churches no ye the information be ma wo mo Mama, Omunya, because Yara, Omo Quaso de Bunya, man, Yaconsola, Yakroma, Yajuma, Gromia Chikron, and the Wakano, Adia, you two one among. We have a compare now on the Kiena, a platform. Nipa, Upa, Mudrema, Papa, I am the decay. So I better to go grand, the way you would. Oh, when you nearby, when you intensely one pepper of here. Being I a part of us, why didn't I bet him the Yaria and Pata Abba? Ya woni de de papa wo so papa de e beka kire ye nuanom ene se e de aseme ya to that ye de ye chemankuru no yes re wo onum fi a no abobọ de kama now they are to that so undu be na that means wa onum fi na abobọ fa sha bag ubotom kra fa sha ubọ de kama undu be bia that wo ana undu fi a now they are to kama me se ne se e fi na de kwa ye se cleaning Mr. Mema say Obia nam neso oye efibia o making sure say who baby that be see and son of their two
can ye best the churches are move from her say you say ye o my juma asofofo ni more members for amane no mo meka ye ho and na ekuwa e wa ha se unyina mo be ka bom na say ye ya penfo se pa ye wi ba ko e bu ka bom a ebu
na ye be jina sa ko nyu so ka say time be bebo de wuro bi ase ko na de be dia no obi dia woye kodusini na ofise okan ho kwa dia won yi ni ti na on be ye adwuma na enye kama
Onumanyafo Jacob Abugri aka eri enso de atodwa se National Sanitation Day na yewo ewo man Ghana emwo no osusu se emeye nkase ebrebie dunti ye de kɔ mantam anase mansini wei emu na mmomyemie mu nto ho na kromafo ni nyina enka wontin pam ho na wo mankasa enhyehye wo mo de na eno ene ogidi se ene sa ebebo ama honidie nkomo na ye hwe ni mu no ye setumi aka ne ye na no ewo Bogatanga epoye mansini emu no adehye ede wo mo de hyehye so ewo ho.
Decentralize the whole sanitation exercise. Say that every electoral area has their own cleaning days. On the National Sanitation Day, they all have their cleaning at their various areas. We don't need the huge numbers. We need the environment to be clean. If they are divided at every electoral area and the environment is being cleaned, we don't have any problem with numbers. So, as much as we need numbers, the numbers are always at where the DC is, which is not important. What we need is the rubbish to be clean. So, to me, I would think that the decentralization, effective decentralization is the best, such that we can all clean our areas.
every time we go around, every time we schedule venues, they all gather there. So if we gather here, since we started, we haven't gone to LKBC, we haven't gone to Gambia, we haven't gone to Paul, we haven't gone to Dubla, Q. So when will we get there if we don't decentralize it? I think that is the best way to do it than just gathering the numbers and taking photos and huge numbers. That one is not important. I think that is my view on it.
We can all converge here. Then what will happen in the communities? At least be in your community, do your part. I will do my part. This person will do his or her part in his community. But the rain, maybe the street and the other things, then the rest of us can do that one. But it is good that our assembly members should also organize it at their own electoral area level. Initially, before we had the items, we were picking the items from Zumilayon. You know, they were already having the items. So when it is like that, it is our duty to see them so that if their items are there, they support us with it. More especially, you know, the communities is just the plastics, the rubber bags. It's just the rubber. It's not like here, the drains are there. We need to go into the drain with our shovel to bring out the mud. But the communities, they don't have drains. Theirs is just to do what? To do the picking. So we can get them the gloves, the nose masks, so that they can use their hands to pick them and then burn. But with here, because of the gutters, we need what? Wheelbarrow, the shovel. We have left our places for others to do, and we are here to help you. Come out and they will help you. They wouldn't come. You will come, some of them will intentionally lock their shops, even though they normally come out early, but because of the exercise, they will remain in their homes.
Yako Aya Tamso electoral area, Ehona Onumenyanfo Joseph Hamilton, Ewo, or the two justices saying, and Pennyphone on Kanya who you made no asem and Campa Papa ye, was a best a breaker cranny, said dear one transformers in a home, Chematoni seem to be a benti, a man Kanyano, a qua, a say ye na a maye, a Juma who door honso, I was say any ne tumpon, to a best rabbi and Kanyano asem de onfonani and show.
Say, if you could ye fa baby omotu mabuso a ye supply the whole Ghana ye wo ekura ya chechire wo ho na ye batasko sura so ye okro so ya chechire wo ni nyina no ye ntimi enya light enko emakro no enimpa omoteto enya light ne sa ho nti ama transformer ye wo wa ha no aye overloaded enti ye so transformer na endi 3 minutes na face no na ateko na ebro aye na face no ebro because nimpa na egusu no doso nti yakawa ye edi kampa ye hia aye transformers a ye benya nanka ekro no yetimi ya den ya bai mu because I say me bedi ade me 3 years mu na mewure ye nti e wota kwanso ye me ha bebi ase yesiji for kwa ye extension ebi nc transformer ye nyabi nti yesere omumua aban no moye na asame members no omu emaye transformers nyentimi ebendi djuma na ye ho kire ye manfo ebre ba e fanta yumatefo no ewo hostel ewo ha den nyina no omu nanteko omu ananteba nti adesese na nkwara no kra life kra no are very dangerous kakra sanse so nam kwan no a bi betimi attack no bagini phone ni ade a unhu obi a ti se nya aboafo omu boaye emaye street light and light post na ade a eboboa companies bebre wa ha na ye how pa ha ekoi Midday drainage gutters people talk. In fact the be obewura wo kro no mu bia se ye fresi ye bowura kro no ma anka o sebe fem nyame adome ba ye no metime ai attack one gutter macho blocks ama area no ho aye dry pa ye kama but ahoden no ene ho nti se nyamoa ni enyankofo a omo betimi aso ya sen e wo cement mu ene mobile mu ni ahwe mu a adin se ye betimi aye drainage no ama gata se wokoma nyina aye kama o nsoto yiri ba amanfo afie pa yiri ba amanfo fie enti eno so aye hawa da hai nse nso no particular na bebre omo asase so omo sesa omo bags edisisi soro
Yɛkɔ Ayawaso West Mensino Emua Assembly no empanimfo se beye na ensuo ebekɔ obodehye no aboboa no wano nti no waye nhyehyeye ama dwumadie bia ofene se legacy project no wodi tu boho ahodo ewo ntwea so eho na no na eye Abelempe Basic School ene oye bi ema awomo ena afe Roman Ridge Prison School no se say the University Staff Village School no so no musu ewo nsuo ho mpanimfo agina sa dwumadie ni so aye bi ede asom Dr. Michael Mensa say na koma ato ne yam na ogidi se efoforo bebre wo ho so a omoye ho hyehye se obetu e de asom.
It's our responsibility to provide them with water facilities, and we have done that. I must also commend the contractor for doing a good job. Sometimes you award contract and the contractor delays, or you don't get it done. But this one has been done on time, and we are happy that this project has been commissioned today. There are 3 boreholes for 3 different schools, so we've decided to do or to perform the ceremony here. But it's actually for Abelempe Basic School and also Roman Ridge Prison School. But then we cannot be at the 3 places at the same time, and we decided to have the ceremony here to take care of the 3 schools. The next project we are going to carry out or embark on here has to do with fencing of their boundaries. They have put that before us, and we are going to do that. We will take it seriously, and we're going to fence that. And then apart from that, their canteen, it has also been reported to us, and we're going to also take that project up. So pretty soon, I believe that next year by now we should be commissioning all that. Just this Thursday, we are going to commission another or hand over refuse containers, about 11 huge refuse containers to the various electoral areas. And the essence of that is actually to promote sanitation within the municipality.
Sa insuo project ya waya dream dada ba ye ni sikenti no yentimi anye. Mama ya ma ya da ma se. Na de o ma ya ma ye no ama no ma bebre na da ye so how ese ye kone ya hwehwe nsu a betimi aba ma ye de bia no ye fi ye so be ma students no mbenya peace of mind at na class esua ade because of me say tem bia mbe pie no mbenya nsu ye ni computers ye wa room no dear but ye ni computers ama ye ko BEC ya ye ma no muntimi mbo modern wo ICT nti yasre no a otimi ma ye computers a ye de be ye practical worker ye ni beje pa ade ba konso a eda ye ni so be ya ma ye ne se nsu to a ha timi ye atache bebre nti nka betimi aboa ye na ama ye pavement blocks na omo de asesha form kama na ye school no nso no na aye fefefe.
When we are talking about sanitation and hygiene, we cannot rule out water, and the provision of this borehole is meant to ensure that proper sanitation and hygiene is maintained, washing of hands properly and flushing of toilets and all kinds of hygienic practices can be enhanced in this school.
Many back for no 5 years jacket. What maintenance your man me any modern kuni amekwa no duba. One half any eche in many baba and bana he said. Yes, he pepe.
Yedu Tama community tena nanope yante asemde wabrekra de hye won potem hotia ye nanso se Monte Carlo Pub ya eno ewo empotem ho no ejatom dubje adwuma ekono ene yedi nkomo no mo sese de yete no sa pepe ena wo mo so ten na embom wo mo do mo ten be no nson enti wakeka wo ho ekopie mu ewo ho no nson empemu DO2 Ebenezer Ayenzu enso ene yedi enkomo ena wo chem se wo mo duru ho no na ejana no odin ne sa yenti no otonsa ede frɛ dunje adwuma ekono enkrabata ewo ahyaman ena fa industrial area empenifo se wonhwɛ no meye wo mo emwa oso mo ye wo mafamu dia no pe no nkron ekopem nundu ansa na jana no ebrase ne so mprempre de ontimi sisu dia adekode potedi ja hyehye no ebae
anope onyantie eye ebo no nso apam sima ba ko nya antie se ejato eye committee 10 the popular pub there wo high family school na ɛma yɛma yɛ mmeranteɛ no esi mu sɛ ɔmo ɛba abɛ respond to incident no na yɛba yɛ no na sɛ ɔmo ndu ha koraa ɔmo duru ɛyɛ junction no so no sɛnea na nwusie no esifa ɛwɔ wiem kumo no nti no hu sɛ ɛyade a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo tumi ɛfrɛ ɛmoa dodoɔ ntɛm nti no yɛdi kan frɛ appliances too ɛbɛ ka ho ansampo na ɔmo duru scene as to speak deɛ sisi a no yɛtumi edum gya no ɛbɔ ɔbɛyɛ 9:34 yɛ a yɛtumi edum gya no koraa a bibia ewusie bia anase gyansanama bia ɛni hɔ but betumi aka sɛ obia ho anka ɛwɔ gya no mu na ahwɛ pub ha sei na ɛyɛ ba nankasa ɛne ɛyi ne deɛ ɛnde bibia ahye ɛna wobɛhwɛ ɔmo offices ne baabi ɔmo computers ne egum deɛ ɛne bibia ɛgya no sɛnea adeɛ de baayɛ deɛ sisia deɛ mintimi nkyerɛ nea ɛma ɛba ɛgya no baayɛ ne mmom nea metumi aka ne sɛ sɛnea nkɔfoɔ ɛmfɔm nsa nkɔkeka ɛyɛ evidence a ɛwɔ hɔ anasɛ traces of nneɛma ɛbɛtumi ama yɛhu ɛgya no ne fare baayɛ nti no yɛbɛgya ɛyɛ yɛ mmeranteɛ bi wɔ ha na yɛde yɛmfɛsi yɛabɔ ha sɛ ɛho ban a ɛbɛhwɛ sɛ obiara mfa ne nsa nkɔka biribi yɛabɛhwɛ sɛ bɛtumi ayɛ hwehwɛmu fɔfɔfɔ
anɔpɛ na meba adwuma na light ɛkɔ off na ɛsan ba ɛbɛyɛ around 6:30 to 40 the light ne san ba ɛbɛyɛ na almost 7 nti mewɔ inside ɛprapra na mehu sɛ smoke ɛba soro nti one of our neighbor behind the building on the team me frame nti kwana mo inside am prapra to team me frame ba na I started a computer room or medical as what should me sure say be doing so because light no go out in the standby within that moment na head I started here and I want to see a computer room say then I wires be crowd or in say do so no na cause that problem.
Adeshimama yegyina we so ne yetwe ho ewe kasebo no emu abayeba yerebeko agokense ensembu David Oforisa fo bongo di farada ma ene odi ebewrem ewo ho yesrese ene yentena yebesen abasesia to break us your boy eye ecobank adaroma ene waso yasene ama yede